NCERT. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Live. Today we are going to talk about logarithms. Let's take a look at today's sum. Solve for x and y. Log of x plus y the whole by log of 2 equal to log of x minus y the whole by log of 5 equal to log of 4 by log of 0.5. Let's do this. Let's break it down into steps. This is not that complicated. Firstly, we will look at the third fraction because that is of help over here. To get the value, these two won't help us at the moment. We have to get the value over here of this, and using that, we can get x plus y and x minus y, and using the simultaneous linear equations which we have learned, we can get x and y. So let's do it. Firstly, log of 4 by log of 0.5. 0.5 is nothing but half, and half is, say here, 0.5 equal to half. Half equal to 2 to the power minus 1. Then, and 4 is nothing but 2 squared. So, log of 2 squared by log of 2 to the power of minus 1. Now we know that if it's like log of a to the power of n to the base b, it is equal to n into log of a to the base b. Then it is 2 into log of 2 by minus 1 into log of 2. Now log of 2 can be cancelled out over here, and we will be left with 2 by minus 1. That is nothing but minus 2. Now we got the value of this as minus 2, which tells us that log of x plus y the whole by log of 2 equal to minus 2, and now log of x minus y the whole by log of 5 is equal to minus 2. Now let's solve these two equations at the same time over here, or now we'll cross multiply and we get log of x plus y whole equal to minus 2 into log of 2. And over here we get, or log of x minus y is equal to minus 2 into log of 5. Let's continue using the reverse of this, which is if it's like n into log of a to the base of b, it is equal to log of a to the power of n to the base b. Then, or over here we will get log of x plus y the whole equal to log of 2 to the power of minus 2. And over here we get log of x minus y the whole equal to log of 5 to the power of minus 2. 2 to the power of minus 2 is nothing but 1 by 2 squared, which is 1 by 4. Or log of x plus y the whole is equal to log of 1 by 4 and or log of x minus y equal to log of 5 to the power of minus 2 is nothing but 1 by 5 squared, which is 1 by 25. From here it implies that x plus y is equal to 1 by 4, and over here it implies that x minus y is equal to 1 by 25. take a look at the board. Now we will get the value of x and y. Continue. X plus y equal to 1 by 4 and x minus y equal to 1 by 25. This is how we made the sum quite easy, and now from here we can use simultaneous linear equations concept, which we have learned previously, to get x and y's value. Firstly, I'm considering this as 1 and this as 2. Then think carefully. After thinking carefully, we got that if we do 1 plus 2, it helps us. So 1 plus 2 will eliminate y and y. Plus y minus y gets cancelled, and we are left with 2x equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 25. Or 2x equal to, now LCM of this is 100. Over here we get 25 plus 4 by 100. Or x equal to 29 by 2 into 100. Because we have done transposition with the 2 and we got it here in the denominator, equal to 29 by 200. So that's the value of x. And for y, we can substitute the value of x in any one of 1 and 2, and I prefer over here, let's substitute it in 1. Therefore, after substituting in 1, we get 29 by 200 plus y equal to 1 by 4. Do a transposition, or y equal to 1 by 4 minus 29 by 200 equal to, taking LCM, it's obviously 200 over here. In the numerator, we will have 50 minus 29 by 200 equal to, calculating this in mind, we have 21 by 200. Therefore, x equal to 29 by 100 and y equal to 29 by 200, 29 by 200 and y equal to 21 by 200. This is our final answer. And apologies for the mistake, but you may take a look at the board now. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.